I'll be treating how to disable startup programs on Windows 10. You know the feeling that you always feel when you need to put a new computer system, a new PC, a brand new PC. You know, when you do the unboxing, removing all the cartons, checking out the chargers if they are okay. Now the feeling that you feel when you are booting your computer for the very first time, and when it's done booting, you see how fast your system is. Once you click like this, it responds to you within some seconds. It doesn't take much time for the response. Anything you need to do on the computer is very, very fast and very efficient. But as time goes on, the reason why we bought the system is for us to do a lot of tasks, install some softwares, and from the definition of software, there are a set of instructions which allows us to perform specific tasks. So the softwares are very different in the way they are being represented on the system. There are some that will take the chunk memory of your system, they will take the space of your system, they will affect the RAM of your system in the sense that your system start getting slower and slower and slower and slower. There is a feature on the Windows 10 that will allow you to make your system to become faster, and that's the solution that Microsoft provided, that they have provided for a system that is being slow, that is not efficient, that is not fast enough. Look at it, for example, you're on a system that has a 4 gig RAM, right? And you install software of like 15. There's some software that will auto start no matter what. They start up when the system is being booting up. You understand? There are startup systems that they will boot with the system, especially when the system is doing code booting. So as the system is booting and these programs that have started, they start slowing down your computer system. So in this video, I'm going to teach you how to disable those startup programs in order for your system to always boot faster, to always work faster, so that less RAM will be used, the CPU usage too will be used. For example, now let me show you the CPU usage of my system. If I go to the task manager here, I click on task manager. If you see the dialog box here, you see this is the processes. This is my CPU usage of 33%. My RAM here is 60%. This is 3%, and network is 0%. So that's how your system runs. You see so many things that are being run here, like this anti-malware service executable, cleaner, and so on and so forth. Now let's go to the business of today. How do we disable startup programs? Now, when you come to your type here to search, type startup apps. You see the options there at the left hand side. Under the system settings, we have startup apps, we have change advanced startup options, we have change Windows to go startup options. So many searches there. So you come here and click on open. When you click on open, it brings out the area where you see startup apps. Here we see apps can be configured to start when you log in. In most cases, apps will start minimize or may only start a background task. So when you look at all the software that are here, we have so many software. We have Adobe Update Startup Utility, we have Container, we have Google Chrome, we have Ignite, so many software here. Let me scroll down while you see the remaining ones. They are all here. And if you look at it now, the checkbox here is off. Like this Update Startup is off. This CC Cleaner is on because I use it to also improve the speed of my system. This Container is off. This Chrome is off. Imagine if all these things are on, and if you want to put it on, you put it on like this. Once you check the button, it goes on. It goes on. So, but if you want to make sure it is off, you do it back and make sure it is checked off. So the lesser the amount of the options that are on, the faster your system. The more horns that your applications are representing here, the slower your system. So that's a nice way to speed up your computer system and how to disable your startup application. So when you are done making your corrections, either you want to make a software to be on startup or off, then after you have done that, all you have to do is just restart your system and the effect takes place. Another way you can check and disable your startup program is, let me close this box here. Let's go to my task manager here. If I right click here, go to task manager, you see an option here which says startup. If you look at the software, like the uTorrent here is disabled, the CC Cleaner is enabled, The Chrome here is disabled. If I want to enable it, all I have to do is just what? Click on it and click on what? Enable. Alright. Once I click on the enable, you see it has changed. The status has changed to enabled here. But I don't want my Chrome to start with my business, so I'll make sure it's fixed on disable. So these are the things you need to do in order to make your system to work faster and more efficiently. So when you're done with the settings and you are very satisfied with everything that you've done, all you need to do is just go to your computer system and do what? Restart your computer system. Let it restart. Once it has restarted, I promise you your system working condition will never be the same. Thank you for watching, and please kindly subscribe, hit the like button, and see you around. I'll be making more lovely videos that will be of great benefit to you. Thank you for watching. Please smash the like button and see you some other time.